Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your girl Zaina, and you are watching. So hey guys, we're going to be doing a chocolatey, bronzy look. And before we get into it, I thought my ass was filming. Guess what? I wasn't. So I did my eyebrows ish. I haven't really finished it, but we're gonna go ahead and spray with my witch hazel spray, moisturize my face, and then we're gonna get into some magic. Magica. So let's do it. So hold up. Ooh. So while I was there rambling, while this was not recording, I was talking about how sometimes I prefer my dip brow, which is this, right? Sometimes I prefer this over the one that I usually use. I guess it really depends on the look that I'm going for. I think this gives me, I don't know, the other one gives me a natural look, but this gives me a like bold and natural look. I don't know how to describe it, but they're different. They're really different. And yeah, and I'm going to be using my Cetaphil to moisturize. Y'all know if it's not Shea Butter, it's Cetaphil or it's the other one. Y'all will see over here because I don't remember the name. No lo recuerdo. Ay. So we're going to moisturize, and before the witch hazel like fully dries, I tend to put because when I tend to find that I don't really have oily face, right? But I tend to find that when I do mix them together, the moisturizer becomes a bit more matte, which is what I like. I like dewy, but matte is just my thing, guys. Like, not fully matte because I don't want to look dead, but you get what I mean. So that's what I moisturize with. But I love my shea butter. Need to get rid of these manchas though. And then we're going to do double primer. So we're going to be using my J-Cat face primer here, and we're going to be using this elf primer. I think it named Illuminating something, another, like, y'all know, yeah, whatever this name, y'all know what it is. And I discovered something new, guys. All this time I thought this was the actual thing, only to find out, yes, so they've been lying to us. So but before I do that, here's what we're gonna do, right? I'm going to take this Mary Kay thingy. I use it to mix stuff, so as you can see I have eyelash glue on it, but we're gonna use it anyways. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, and this is coconut oil, and then I probably used too much, and then we're just gonna mix this in there. So we're gonna mix it, and we're just gonna use my finger and mix it. I probably used too much, but we're gonna put that all over my face. Oh, you see, guys, that's such a nice glow, like a bronzer. And it's, if you're using oil, use a lightweight oil. I prefer lightweight coconut oil. It just works perfect for me. Mírala. Ay! Sometimes I can be so extra. Like, one thing I made sure, well, not made sure, but one thing I wanted to do this year was to show my personality, and I talked about this in my they call it yarn review. I think it was yarn review. Watch that in the card somewhere here. But I talked about is to let my personality come through, shine. Yeah, to let my personality come through this year, especially in my videos, because I don't usually talk in my videos. You guys know this, y'all know this. So this is how my face is looking. Yes, but as I was saying, I don't usually talk in my videos. But I decided, you know what? And one of the reasons was for that because I was scared to say the wrong thing or say the right thing. But I've reached this point in my life where, you know, I don't necessarily want to be politically correct. I just want to inspire people, and in so doing, you know, do so by, the only way I can do that is by being myself. You know, nobody wants a fake. Nobody, no. Nobody wants fakeness. And I don't deal well with fakeness or fake people. Even though I can be a bit of a, what do you call it? I give people a lot of chances, right? So while that is true, at the same time, I don't like fake. Who wants to buy me a new concealer? Because this is done. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. No lo terminé. Un poquito. Un poquitito. Ahí. Un poquitito. So we're just gonna line. Oh, and this is in dark cocoa, by the way. This so, and I don't think I should have used this because this turns red on me. I think it oxidizes. So I think it's because I've had this for a while because I keep switching between it and the Makeup Revolution ones I have. So I don't really use it as often, but it turns red sometimes. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but yeah, it does. I need to get a new one because this whole redness, the girl can't be out here looking cute only to have red, some weird ass red on. Anyways, so we're gonna go in with this elf little thingy majiggy. It's a Lisa palette with different colors, and as you can see, I only use one color, which is this. I use it as my contour as well as I use it as eyeshadow, and it is in Golden Goddess. I've used the other colors before, but they're not really my fancy. I'm just weird like that. But we're gonna go in with this brush, and we're just gonna put that over. You know what? I know the look I'm going for, guys. Destroyed all of them, yeah, crazy. But I'm using this black color from the Unicorn palette right here, and we're just going to put that in the area where I can fade out, yeah. It's a really pigmented color too, guys. You see that? You see that? You see that? It's so cute. I think I'm gonna use, I am going to use gold. a little goldish bronzish color. No, it's not gold, it's bronzy, but I'll show you guys in a few when I'm done. You know how blending goes for this. Oh, right. So the good thing is that I use my foundation to fix this little part because I like it to be defined. Alright. I like it to be like super defined. And there we have it, folks. There we have it. Shit. I went ahead and just tried to blend that out a little bit, and now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay, which I really don't use a lot because I'm a foundation hoarder. I've had my MAC foundation for a while. I've had, well, my Fit Me. I use my Fit Me more because I love this one more, so I use this one for special occasions. It's not really a special occasion, but your girl's gonna be using it today. So I just use this to like paint my face. Pintando. It's literally painting my face. And I'm gonna use a lot though because it is full coverage. It is like seriously full coverage. I just like how it applies more than the Fit Me too, like, but it dries really quickly. So like I have to hurry up so I can like fully blend this and not look a mess, you know. I think I should turn this light off because that light, let me see how these be. Yeah, I think I'll look better like that. But I like to use that light as well. Like this light that I have, I like to use it because it helps me see like blend out my makeup properly and stuff. But it has the mirror attached to it. I wish I should show you guys right now, but it has a mirror attached to it and stuff. And then I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics brush, number 6 brush, and just blend. Oh, there are times when I do highlights and contour, and there are times when I just contour because I kind of have like a naturally highlight in a sense, in a sense. So I just contour because I don't really have a contour. I have a scar that looks like a contour sometimes, but it's not really a contour. So, and this is kind of harsh, but we gonna fix it. We will fix it. I use this Jessup brush, and it's a fluff brush, a large fluff brush that I kind of stole because I really liked it. I don't think it's really supposed to be like a brush like for this, but I use it for this because it works. I told y'all I'm not a makeup professional. I just do what works really. And then the next thing I do is I'm gonna take my my Cilavi fan brush, and I'm gonna use my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Powder Glow Illuminator. That's a blush and highlight. That's such a long name, but yeah, it's in golden / door W101. Like, I'll try to put like the pictures of these, because some of them I really can't show you because they're like broken, and if I should try and show you them, everything's gonna go all over the place, and yeah, I'm not about that life. And they were, I actually like those lashes, but yeah, so it goes sometimes. And then I'm gonna be using my powder. I haven't really found a powder that like I really like. Oh, and to set, sometimes I do use baby powder. Shh, I didn't tell you that. But I didn't do highlight and contour, so I ain't gonna set like that. And to get rid of the harshness of the what you call it, the contour, I just use powder. Simple. Like, I'm really basic when it comes on to my makeup. Like, it's really, sometimes I go extra, sometimes I don't, because I do have oily face, and there are some steps that I didn't do in this. Well, partly because I actually use the super stay. The super stay is really good, so I don't need to use those steps. But if I use my MAC foundation or my Fit Me, I have to do those steps in order not to get super oily like in the next 3-4 hours. But with the Fit Me, I can last like 6-8 hours without, and typically 6-8 hours. I don't really, if I know I'm gonna last going further than that, then I'll probably do those steps. I should probably show you how I do it to, you know, keep my face matte, but I think I do have a video up with that. I don't know if it has changed. I need to watch that video to see if I've changed anything, but yeah. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't. Ooh, child. Girl. We're gonna do a close up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah. Like, I thought this was horrible, but I guess it didn't. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Yes, me olvidé algo. My lips just got sticky. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is in Birthmark, the Licks lingerie. But see, me olvidé algo. My love, no.